Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can save Instagram video in gallery. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram, and once you open Instagram you simply need to select any video from here. So let me select this video, click on three dots, and then you need to click on copy link of that video. Once you done that, you simply need to open any browser and search in browser Instagram video download as I am doing. Okay, once you search that, you simply need to click on iChrome, and here you need to paste the link of your video like I am doing. Click on download and wait for a few seconds. It will shown to you the video. So here you can see the video. You simply need to click on download.mp4. Once you click on that, the video is automatically saved in your gallery. So this is a process by which you can save Instagram video in your gallery. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.